Good morning, children. Today's topic is we are going to do the questions based on charging by induction. What is charging by induction? That is, in that case, you charge a body without touching it. Now, see how you are given a neutral metallic sphere. How can you charge the metallic sphere with positive charge without touching it? You have a sphere given to you, metallic sphere is given to you. How can you charge its body? Do one thing, take an ebonite rod. Rub it with the silk. Ebonite rod will acquire the negative charge and silk will acquire the positive charge. When you bring this ebonite rod close to this metal sphere, you are not going to touch it, you are bringing it close to the metal sphere, what will happen? The positive charge in the neutral metallic sphere, it consists of equal positive and equal negative. The positive charge will start accumulating this side and negative charge will start accumulating this side. Now in the second part, you do one thing, from this end do the earthing. This is the symbol of earthing. What happen when you do the earthing from this end? The whole of the negative charge will go to the earth. Now what is left? Only positive charge is left on the sphere, that will be distributed throughout the sphere continuously equally. So in this way you have charged a metallic sphere. Now next question is, the question is given to you that two metallic sphere A and B are in contact with each other. You have to make the sphere A negatively charged and sphere B positively charged. Now what you are going to do? Now you have a two spheres in contact with each other like this. Metal sphere A and metal sphere B are in the contact with each other. Now do one thing, take a rod. It is a glass rod rubbed with a silk. You know that when you rub a glass rod with a silk, glass rod acquire a positive charge and silk acquires a negative charge. When you bring it close to these two metallic sphere which is in the contact with each other, this side, now they are considered as a single body. Now A and B, they are considered as a single body. When you bring them close to this side will acquire the negative charge and this side will acquire the positive charge. Now do one thing, separate these spheres. Make them separate. This is a glass rod. This side will be negative, and this side will be positive. Remove it. What will happen? This hole will be distributed and this hole positive will be distributed on it, and A becomes negatively charged and B becomes positively charged. So what was the question? You had a two metallic sphere in contact with each other placed together as shown. When a positively glass rod is brought near to the sphere A, the rod is not touching the sphere A and B. In the second case, the sphere A and B are separating each other with a positively glass rod in close to the sphere A, and in the third part the glass rod is removed. Now we have removed the glass rod. Now A acquires a negative charge and B acquires the positive charge. Thank you.